Replacing a kitchen faucet shutoff valve with SharkBite fittings and PEX tubing should not cost you $750 if it's just a simple fix. So, here's the thing. For a job like swapping out a hot water shutoff valve using SharkBite fittings and PEX, you want to check a few things. First, SharkBite fittings are super convenient because they don't require soldering, but they're not always the most durable option for every situation. If the plumber spent about an hour, that's reasonable for labor, but $750 sounds steep unless there were complications or other repairs involved. Always ask for a detailed breakdown of the parts and labor charges so you know what you're paying for. Using heavier-duty brass parts from a plumbing supply house usually means better quality and longer-lasting results than hardware store stuff. Also, when you're dealing with water lines, it's smart to make sure they're properly supported and secured to avoid leaks or noises later on. If the plumber's work looks rushed or sloppy, that's a red flag. Good craftsmanship matters even in small jobs. Don't hesitate to get a second opinion or even a quote from another local plumber to compare prices and quality. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when hiring plumbers is not checking reviews or credentials, which can lead to poor workmanship or overpriced repairs. Another common issue is accepting hardware store parts instead of plumbing supply house materials, resulting in less durable repairs that might fail sooner. Finally, many people don't ask for an itemized invoice, so they end up paying more without understanding where the costs come from. To fix these problems, always research your plumber's reputation before booking. Insist on quality parts to ensure lasting repairs, and demand a clear invoice so you know exactly what you're being charged for. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who have been vetted for quality and reliability. It also helps contractors find more work by showcasing their skills and reviews from real customers.